In this video, we will demonstrate performing a factory reset on your QActive system if you wish to reset everything back to its original state. In addition to your QActive stand mount or tower speaker system, you will also need a paperclip or something similar to press a small recessed button. Use the paperclip to press and hold the small factory reset button on the back of the hub. After 5 seconds, the LEDs on the front will turn off and then all flash 3 times. You can now release the button. After a short while, you will see the standby LED start to flash, indicating that the hub is now rebooting and will start looking to pair with the speakers. You can now remove the power from the hub as the reset is complete. Use the same paperclip to press and hold the small factory reset button on the back of the speakers, located at the bottom near the USB socket. The LEDs on the top of the speaker will turn off and then flash 3 times. After a short time, the standby and hub LEDs will start flashing, indicating the speaker is now searching for a hub to pair with. You can now remove the power from the speaker as the reset is complete. This process can now be repeated for the other speaker. For more information, please visit the knowledge base.